All right, still on the road.
Does everyone have everything?
Yep.
Yeah. I forgot my phone.
Oh. Jeez, dude. Could ease up a little on the brakes there. You're going too fast.
I feel like I've been driving for a while. When's my next turn?
Oh, why are you asking me?
Everyone knows the person playing music navigates.
Jeez, okay. I'll take care of it. Turn in 2 miles.
Your music stinks, I'm DJing.
I really wonder why I fool myself again. And I
Don't leave me alone! I gotta put my shoes on!
Did you go in? Dude, did you don't have time to wait for you.
You guys see that guy?
What guy? There's nobody out there.
Never mind.
Turn 1,000 feet.
What? You know, we need to not have music.
You know, when I was a kid, they never even let me have music. It was incredible. It was a 10-hour drive, and my father wouldn't let me play music. He wouldn't. He wouldn't even let me talk to him.
Right lane.
Because he said he needed to
turn about
concentrate on the
500
road.
feet.
It was ridiculous. We had it. Yeah, maybe I'll try taking a nap.
Hey!
You know, I used to like taking naps when I was a kid. They were incredibly peaceful. They were so peaceful, I loved them. But
Why is it so cold
my
in
mother
here?
would never let me
I have to go
take
to the
naps in
bathroom.
the car.
Dude, we just
Says
stopped.
something
You
like
didn't wake me up in time.
vomiting or something in the car.
Hey, I was Smokehouse. Now it's a road trip. Woo! Thanks for bringing some for everyone.
But the